So we are preparing a first time integrated logistic plan for India. And in that plan, I had said the first time I became minister announced that in Goa, we'll keep it a logistic hub. I announced it at that time itself. Why? Because Goa is very strategically located. Goa has a port. The huge new job creation is going to happen through logistics. Logistics has a great capacity to reduce cost, increase speed, but also generate employment. And this is green because it's not going to affect anything because infrastructure is already created. In India, we have created agri-export policy. That would mean that all the farmers of Goa will benefit because the horticulturists, when they produce cashew, mango, whatever they do, or the farmers, their produce can be exported globally.
Now या जुवारी पुलाचे काम नेटान चल्ला. ह्या पुलान ट्युरिजमाक नेट मेळटलो म्हूण PWD मंत्री उलयलो.
The bridge which is coming at Zuari bridge, and particularly more important in that particular bridge is two observatory which is coming at both pillars. It will be a good look to the Zuari bridge. In future, it is one of the touristic importance place also. I personally feel this type of things will definitely bring tourism activities more in Goa.
मायनिंग आणि ट्युरिजमान प्रभून लक्ष घालचें म्हूण आल्कॉनाचो चेअरमॅन उलयलो.
I would like to take this opportunity to request Mr. Prabhu, Honorable Minister of Commerce and Industry, to give special attention to Goa to improve the present deteriorating economic scenario by providing impetus to our two main industries, mining and tourism. If the problem faced by these industries, which are the backbone of this economic growth of the Goa, are addressed, our state of Goa will achieve the required economic turnaround. We want your help, sir, on this ground.
Prudent खातीर विवेक प्रभू.